Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a very short video that has been requested a few times, and it's to do with Windows. So every time you install a game or anything, it gets into your registry, and sometimes it can have conflicts in there, and due to those conflicts you might have errors, you might have apps not performing properly or Windows not performing properly. So today's video is how to address registry editor. Okay, so the registry, and we have an app that's called regedit. So by the way, please do excuse the informality and unscripted nature of this video. I hope you guys don't mind it, and also I will be going through with you guys step by step. If I miss something, please do comment below and I'll try and get back to you guys in regards to it. Now, regedit. So if you write that, registry editor comes up and run as admin. So this is where all your, don't play with this by the way, I'm just showing it to you. So this is where all of your software and things get installed. So the problem is sometimes you'll have issues with that. So what you can do is you can go and download two software. They both do the same thing. Okay, I'll introduce them both. I'll tell you how to download them and all this stuff. So the first one is called CCleaner. Okay, this is a very old software. A lot of people don't recommend it anymore, but I still use it. I don't mind it at all. And it comes from Mac, Android, iOS and things like that. But Windows is the one that I feel like it's the best one. I've got the Pro one. You can get the free one as well. So if you click on the free download, it'll take you to this and you'll basically start the download and you can have it downloaded in here. But I'll have it downloaded anyways. So other than that, the other one is called Revo Uninstaller. Okay, so the Revo Uninstaller, you can have the free version as well. I believe they have a free version, freeware. Okay, free, and it can come in portable as well. So what that portable means is you don't actually need to install it. It just runs as a portable. And the great thing about having the portable version is you can just have it on a USB and jump on a different computer and have it without having it installed. You can run it. So again, it's got two versions. I'll get just the free portable version if I was doing this. However, this is what we need. Scan over for left unstandard, scanning for leftovers after the standard uninstall. So this is what we need. So first of all, get those downloads happening. Download both of them. I have got them. And another thing that I want you guys to do is, prior to starting stuffing around with your system and making it worse, I would like you guys to create a restore point. So you can go restore point, and just when you go to restore, create a restore point. Okay, this little thing will open, and if you don't have never done it, so you can just turn this on. Okay, and system restore, that's when things don't go right. You can do that system restore, for example. And for now, I'll click the C drive, which is where my Windows is and nothing else. It's the games are in games, the other games are in. So this one is where I have all my high-end games. It's a very, very fast SSD, and this is just a normal SSD, 2.5-inch SSD, and this is an NVMe, all this stuff. So this is a normal one, and that's where my not so high demanding games sit in there. Anyways, let's go back to this and create. So you can name it anything. So I'll do it CC and Revo. Okay, so create restore point, and this shouldn't take long. There you go. So I've got a few things in there already. I've so configured it as well. You can have more space. I've given it about 20 gigs worth of space. You can delete all your restore points as well if you want, turn it off, disable it and all this stuff. And that's basically it. So done. So that's been done. And you can just, so this is how you can get the portable version. So I've clicked on portable and just have the portable version saved here. That's pretty quick. Okay. So this is the portable version, and this is CCleaner. So that's just CCleaner getting installed now. So, and click on customize and add to desktop, not to menu bar. No, and no. Thank you. More. Yep, that's fine. Let's leave it at that because I'm the only one using it. But if you're an admin and you don't want everyone to be able to access it, so you can have the other option. So we'll close that. So we've installed that. Okay. And this is just the portable version, so you don't need to really install this. And what I'll do is I'll just give it a good old restart. So just to get it properly installed. All right, so we're back in here and we should have CCleaner run any second, and we can check Revo as well. Now, a bit of word of warning, I do find CCleaner a bit better for my use. I have never had a registry being stuffed up with CCleaner. I've used it for a very long time. You might have a different experience, that's fine. With Revo, it is quite thorough, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can stuff your registry. And if you do that, you'll have all sort of headaches with Windows playing up. So with Revo, I'd be careful a little bit, okay? So let's get CCleaner running. So for example, this is a video one of the people on my channel was asking. They were having an issue with Mass Effect Legendary Edition launching, and they were playing it with a mod, and they uninstalled the mod and tried everything and it wouldn't work. So, and uninstalling it and reinstalling and whatnot. But what I recommended for them to do is to do a registry clean, and they didn't know what to do. So this is basically for them people as well, okay? So this will install other stuff in here. Make sure you're reading what it's trying to do. So decline it, the start cleaner. I don't want to play around with these. These are all different things. So you can have like it run and see if there's any out of date drivers for your computer, and it's come up with the one which is Realtek Audio. And if you want to have it updated, you need to have the full version, not the free version. It also optimizes performance, clean stuff, health check as well. But this is what we are interested in, and it's for free. You also have an uninstaller. So what you can do is go into tools and go uninstall, and you can just uninstall stuff from here. And then what I do is after I've uninstalled something, I'll run the registry editor, cleaner, and it'll clean stuff off. So let's see if I've got any issues. So see how it's already come up with a lot of stuff that are having problems. So these are all the things, and what you'll want to do is run it, and when it comes up, I would delete and back it up, okay? And back it somewhere safe which you can access. I would back it up on a USB and have it done there. So have it backed up on a USB. Sorry if you guys are having a lot of beeping and noise. I'm in a new state and there's a lot of houses being built around me, and unfortunately builders are quite noisy. So you can name it whatever you want, put it somewhere safe, save it, and that's it. And that will clean all this. So let's say I saved it, okay? And then it comes up to this issue, and it'll tell you what the problem is, and because of some software being left behind, fix all these issues. That's it, done. So this will hopefully help you fix the problem. So what I want you to do is first of all uninstall the game. So you go through the uninstaller and find out whatever thing that is not working properly, so Baldur's Gate 3 or whatnot, uninstall it, get it out of your system, scan this and restart your system, and install it again after the restart it again after you've installed it, and see if it'll work. Okay, if that doesn't work, then your second option would be to get that portable thing that you downloaded over here, portable, and we will go into the, okay, what's this? Okay, so best of doing a extract. So let's extract this. Done. So we're going in there. So we're going into the x86 because this is what I have, the Windows. Most likely most people have this. Okay, so this is just some of the agreement. Okay, so just doing a scan of all the software that is installed on your computer. So for instance, if I wanted to delete Dead Space, I was having issues with Dead Space, I'd uninstall it from here and just click uninstall, which I don't want to do. So let's imagine we've uninstalled it. I would give it another restart in between the uninstall. So uninstall it after CCleaner doesn't work. After you uninstall it and restart it, you want to go to Tools, and then you want to go to Windows Cleaner. So these are all the Windows registry issues. So you can just click all of them that you can clean up, and then you just clear. Are you sure you want to clear all this data? Yes. That's it. And this should basically let you be able to run your computer properly. And after doing this, I'll restart it, then install all the software that you need that has been playing up for you. Please do comment below. Let me know how you went with this, what your issues are and what your experiences are. This is just a quick short video for you guys to sort of see if this helps. I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments below. By the way, subscribe, because I have been doing this for 5 years and I'm not even breaking even. Subscription does help you out if this video helps you out. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.